for Persons with Disabilities in Nebraska. We are a private 501c3 nonprofit organization, and our main sort of charge is to advocate and protect the rights of persons with disabilities. We were incorporated in 1978 and designated as a protection and advocacy organization in that year. So we've been doing our protection and advocacy work for many years now. We employ sort of a three-stage approach to our advocacy. One way in which we do our advocacy work is through the legal system. We have attorneys on staff that will utilize the court system to handle or address problems that are raised either through calls into our office, we call them intakes, or issues that come up that we're aware of that may not get a call, but is a significant issue that, you know, given our background in the legal aspects of disability rights, can take up those issues as well. The second arm of our advocacy is through the legislature and our public policy work. And as the Director of Public Policy here at Disability Rights Nebraska, it's my job to work with senators, work with the governor's office in the executive branch, the departments, the different divisions within the state government, to respond to proposed regulations, and work with other state officials to, again, advocate and protect the rights of people with disabilities in Nebraska, and to help them be aware of issues that come up within the disability community, and to ultimately educate them about better policies and programs, how they can be improved to better meet the needs of people with disabilities in the state. We will provide our services to, we pretty much run the gamut on disability types. We have funding coming from the federal government, which is the main source of our revenue, that will fund, for example, the Protection and Advocacy for Traumatic Brain Injury program at the federal level provides us funds by which we can do work dealing with traumatic brain injury issues. There's another protection and advocacy for voting access, which we use to fund and operate our efforts to increase voting registration for people with disabilities of all types, and to help align the practice of voting and with the needs of people with disabilities so that they can exercise their right to vote. We certainly have protection and advocacy for developmental disabilities, which funds our developmental disabilities work. There's a corresponding mental illness legislation that provides funding for us to do work around mental illness issues, mental health issues. So it's not just mental health or mental illness and or developmental disabilities. We run pretty much the whole gamut.